Next tonight, Nottingham academics have been given funding to help make artificial intelligence safer to use. This comes after a new government plan to create the world's first AI Safety Institute, spearheaded by the UK. Well, the University of Nottingham will be working alongside other universities to bring together social science researchers and students to look at how it can be used for good. Elon Musk, owner of X, formerly Twitter, has said AI could pose an existential risk if it becomes anti-human. And other experts are worried about the impact it could have too. So let's dive into all of this. And to explain more about the plans, welcome to Research Fellow for Computer Science at the University of Nottingham, Director Virginia Portillo. Good to see you.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Let's just back to basics for a few seconds. Remind us what AI is, what it's capable of.
Yes, well, there are lots of definitions about AI, but to keep it simple, I would say it's a computational system that is based on designed instructions designed by humans and learned, fed with lots of data that is trained to learn from it to get better. To give you an answer to a particular problem, a particular question. The thing, so it can have some automated system behind it, so it kind of compares different patterns from all these different data to give you a probability, a result about something.
So in some ways, you know, really clever. Well, of course, it's very clever, but lots of potential to do good. Give me an example of how AI could be transformative in a positive way.
Well, so we use AI, you know, more like the definition like based on machine learning, but we use it every day without even thinking about it. So, for example, when we use recommender systems like music apps, that gives you a recommendation, and kind of you start learning about new music through that app. That's quite beneficial,
yes,
and everyone enjoys that.
How do you know me?
Yeah, and when you use maps to go from here to there.
Okay.
And then also a lot of good applications related to the medical sector for diagnosis, for Alzheimer, cancer, diabetes.
So really positive things here. But then, as I mentioned there, Elon Musk and others, you know, they're predicting some sort of dystopian future reality where computers are taking over the world and we won't even need humans anymore. So what are you going to look at then as far as its safety?
Yeah, so I wouldn't be too worried about that. I think at the end of the day, so what we look into within our research, we're looking on the responsible side of AI. So that means looking on where the social desirability is behind all this new technology, and to be ethically acceptable as well and sustainable. And what is important on that is looking from the very start, early stages of that design idea, and thinking ethically and with a foresight thinking to anticipate into the possible risk and harms that could have for people and society. So I don't believe that you know, computers are going to take the world. So there are tools to help us.
Yeah, so humans can stay in control,
of course,
of how we use this computer technology, and that's part of this project, isn't it?
Yes, because at the end of the day, so what you want, that's a tool that will help the people, and sort of it's about like having a human in the loop. The ultimate decision will be on the person using that technology, how you will use that technology for.
Yes, yes. I think though, when you look at business, who, if you own a business, wouldn't want to cut cost so you make more profit? And if AI can replace people, then for them that's good news. But for the workers, for employment, that's not good news. So I know the government and the world is coming together to say, okay, what rules are we going to put in place? And here in Nottingham, there is some work going on too, to be part of this conversation.
Yes, so as part of our new research funding, so we are part of our project, which is called RAKE, and it's an impact project, part of the RAI UK, which is a 5 years a national program for responsible innovation in AI. What we're looking into our particular project is to engage with the different areas of the pipeline from the design of artificial intelligence related technologies up to the deployment. So we're going to be engaging with Centres of Doctoral Training, which are the centres that train postgraduate students on designing these technologies. We're going to be engaging with spin-out companies and businesses as well that use AI, and also with international bodies for regulation about AI, trying to find what responsibility techniques they use, what we can learn from them, what they can learn from us, from all the things that we develop. So,
I mean, just finally and briefly, is it quite a coup? You know, it's a great thing that Nottingham is a player in this conversation, in this study?
Yes, I think it is, because we have a lot of expertise already, and we're going to be, so the lead of this program is, so the three main universities, University of Southampton, and University of Nottingham, and King's. And our project is a collaboration between Oxford, Warwick and Nottingham.
So it's good for Nottingham, good for the students, good for the staff.
And for the country as well.
Great, well done, and thanks for talking.
Thank you for having me.